Gold traded bearish yesterday, though earlier it showed a very good resistance to break below 1983. But once it did, it has shown a very good slide, now trading at 1973 levels. Now, what to expect from gold today? I hope you all profited from the prediction that below 1983, certainly more bearishness may prevail there. Now, how to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Do subscribe to my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates and join my platform forexfunda.com for more. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts. See, on the hourly charts, I told you yesterday, see double top here. After the double top drop, this was the retracement, and again it will start to trade bearish. That is what has happened. Now it is almost inching close to the support levels at 1970. Now this zone here at 1970, 1972.5 is a very good support zone. Below that, I will be looking forward to 1963 levels, the next support. If you look at the hourly charts, the moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. Accelerated bearishness is seen here. It is still looking down. Also, if you look at, see, it is trading in this bearish channel as of now. Lower highs, lower lows are getting, one can stay short below 1970 levels. That is very clear. On the upside now, 78-83 zone, which was the resistance support earlier, is now going to be the resistance for gold. I will watch out for how gold behaves between 78 and 83 levels. A possibility of a little rise above 78 can be seen, but then only bullishness is if you see it is staying above 1983. Thus, we can take a buy position at 78, but still it is going not to be treated as bullish as long as 1983 levels are respected. Beyond 1983 is where slight bullishness will be seen. If you're buying at 78, we have to trade with caution there. Yes, we can. The probability will be slightly skewed towards modest bullishness once it stays above 1978-80 zone. The stochastic is oversold. This calls for a little retracement, but it is not the case always. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold as well. Coming to 2. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, moving average is crossing over here, trading with a bearish bias. The zone becomes completely a greater resistance zone on the upside if gold tries to reverse from here. If you look at the formation, same observation here. Yes, it is trading bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is at bottom 2. Coming to 3. Now on the 3-hour charts, we have to watch out more closely. Yes, first thing is the candle is outside Bollinger Bands, and this calls for a little retracement. However, the moving averages after staying flat for a while has now started to cross over and started to diverge. This is a bearish. Next observation here is, see the candle size here and here, it is certainly bearish, but the bearishness getting diminished here on the 3-hour charts. Now this calls for a slight retracement. However, I will still see it as trading in range. So even if it tries to retrace, the retracement is going to be very minuscule. How far it can retrace? See, if you look at largely, the gold is trading largely in this zone, and that is why I say 83-85 levels are going to remain critical now. First at 78-83, now then next at 83-85. These are the two critical levels which gold needs to pass by in order to confirm a reversal. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is at bottom 2. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, see this was the first reversal candle here. Then consolidation, first bearish candle, second bearish candle. If you see the candle size here, the candle size is increasing. This suggests that still the bearishness may prevail. I will wait for the next candle, and once it stays below 1970, we can say certainly the bearishness may accelerate, and we can look forward to a drop towards 1963-65 zone, the next target level. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bearish, looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards too, staying bearish. Coming to the daily. Now, before I come to the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, how to find out profitable trades and profitable entries, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. And yes, the tools, techniques and strategies which I teach in my mentorship batch definitely will help you identify the profitable trade. The 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Register yourself now itself. Invest in your learning first. See, investing, this is the only investment which can reap profits to you throughout your life. Thus, join the batch. You can register by visiting the platform forexfunda.com, and you will find the details on the very first tab itself. You will find everything related to the batch, whether be it the timings, the curriculum, the services which you offer, and along with the payment option, you can pay there and book your seats now itself. So do not wait. Visit the platform and reserve your seats. The next is my webinar. The We have started the weekly webinar series before the market opens on Monday. We do it every Sunday later in the day in the evening time. And in this webinar, we discuss what can be expected throughout next week from various instruments, be it gold, silver, be it indices, everything. And I am going to take your questions live as well. So do register for the webinar. And yes, this platform is created with the vision to provide everything required by a trader under one roof, whether be it the top stories, whether be it the economic calendar here, where the data across the globe is available. Yes, in the markets tab, you can search for your favorite instrument, you can click on the charts, you can do your analysis with the help of tools and indicators available. You can schedule a call with me if you need any guidance with respect to any of your existing positions or any future position as well. Yes, the important part is the forums where you find the summary of the observation and also discuss with the like-minded traders. So do visit the platform forexhonda.com. And yes, we are starting to intake this signals group. We have reopened our signals group. If you want to join the signals group, now reach out to me today itself and join the signals group. Now see, on the daily charts, if you look at, yesterday was the first breakout candle. See, on the daily charts also, the drop here, this was the retracement zone. This was the first breakout candle. The day has started flat. Possibly today we may see a good slide, and I will look forward to at least 65 or in fact 60 levels as well. Possibility is very, very high that these levels may get achieved. Now, why I am saying so, if you look at, see, any breakout, first of all, the retracement candle, 3 to 4 retracement candles, first breakout, and this breakout may continue for a while. Also, look at the divergence of the price. I was talking about this and we have discussed about this many a time, that the divergence from the 20 period is too much. Now the 20 period moving average sitting at around 68 70s levels, certainly a good support zone, and then below that further bearishness towards 1963 and lower levels can be seen. Yes, this was the first breakout candle, so this candle can be of increasing body size, which suggests that these levels towards 1963-65 or in fact lower towards 1960 can be expected today. Thus, stay short below 1970 or but 1967-68 first target, 1963 next, and 1960 the third resistance zone. Below 1960, it is certainly going to trade with further bearishness towards 1954 levels, and below that more crash can be seen. But if you look at, largely this is still a retracement. Let me show you something here. See, it is trading in this bearish channel. The bottom here is somewhere below 1960 level. And on the upside, see, a buying entry I will recommend only and only if you see price is staying above 1978 levels here. If you see it is staying above 1978, we can initiate a buying position. First target should be at 82, 83, next at 85. This complete zone here is a greater resistance. As long as 85 is respected, do not treat gold as bullish. It is only above 1985. You can say that prices have reversed. Else we may see it continue to fall. Thus take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. In fact, I recommend you to sell here at 1972 itself, but with a greater caution at around 67, 68 levels. Trade accordingly. See you again before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. And do not miss to join the webinar as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.